Hello students, today our topic is rocket. For that we require one origami paper. First you have to keep the white paper up, then you have to fold from the middle, so you will get the rectangle shape. Give the crease properly. Again you have to fold from the middle, so you will get the square shape. Again give the crease properly. Crease is very much important, so please give the crease properly. If you are giving crease properly, so your folding will come neat and clean. Now we have a two square, so still till middle line we have to fold the triangle like this way and give the crease. Now from square we are making triangle shape like this way. You have to hold the paper like this way, then you have to put your finger inside and then you have to press it, so you will get the triangle. The same step you have to follow from behind also. So we will turn this paper like this way till middle line, we will fold and we will give the crease. Now unfold that triangle. Now again hold the paper like this way, put your finger inside, so you will get the another triangle. So we will get the two triangle, 1 and 2. Now till middle line you have to fold the paper from both the side like this way, give the crease. From here also fold the triangle from both the side like this way and give the crease. Now turn the paper. Again we have to follow the same step till and middle line. We have to fold the paper and give the crease. The same way we have to do from here also. And give the crease. Now from this corner, can you see this corner? From this corner we have to fold the paper till middle line like this way and we have to give the crease. The same step from this corner till middle line, we have to fold the paper and we have to give the crease. So same step you have to follow from other side also. From this corner, can you see these corners? From this corner we have to fold the paper till middle line and we have to give the crease. From here also. Now this is done. Now we have to fold from the down. We have a 4 this part, so we have to fold the paper like this way and give the crease. The same step we have to follow from another side also, give the crease. The same step we have to follow from another side also. We have to fold like this way. From here also. Now our rocket is ready. Now what we have to do? We have to open this flap like this way. So your rocket is ready. Your rocket is ready. So you have to give the background and you have to stick on it. Thank you.